Welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 3 of our 30-day speaking challenge.
If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us every day to improve your English step by step.
Today, we're learning how to ask for and give directions in English. This is super useful when you're traveling or visiting a new place. Let's get started.
Section 1. Asking for directions. Listen and repeat after me. Excuse me, where's the bank? Excuse me, where's the bank? Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the train station? How far is the park from here? How far is the park from here? Is it near? Is it near?
Great. Now let's practice together. I'll ask and you answer. Excuse me, where's the supermarket?
Your turn. Answer.
Section 2. Giving directions. Now let's practice phrases for giving directions. Repeat after me. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's next to the bank. It's across from the park. It's on the corner.
Let's try them slowly first, then faster. Ready? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right.
Section 3. Short dialogue practice. Let's practice a short dialogue. I'll be the tourist and you'll be the local person. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Go straight and then turn right. The train station is next to the post office.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's try it again slowly. Repeat after us. Section 4. Longer role play. Now let's try a longer conversation.
Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, there is. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The pharmacy is across from the supermarket.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Let's do this again, but this time, switch roles. You be the tourist, and I'll be the local. Ready?
Section 5. Learner practice. Now it's your turn. Make your own dialogue. For example, excuse me, where is the restaurant? Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the bank.
Practice with a friend or say it out loud to yourself. You can even write your dialogue in the comments so we can check it.
Well done. Today you learned how to ask for and give directions in English.
Remember, the best way to improve is to practice daily.
For homework, write one short dialogue about directions in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English Moments so you don't miss day 4 tomorrow.